Namaste, Pranam everyone, and thanks for watching this video. And I must say that you must be wondering that why I'm spinning. So for this, I would like to tell you that this is one of the techniques of the Kriya Yoga, and it has been initiated by my guru. My sincere pranam to my Gurudev, and just because of his blessings, I've been initiated into this path of Kriya Yoga, which is one of the fastest path of self-enlightenment, and it is into serving into the feet of the God, is Kalki Guru, who is going to be the 10th avatar of Bhagwan Vishnu. So it's been initiated, as I said. So it is such a wonderful experience, and one question must be arising in your mind that yes, spinning, and it is like sitting and spinning. You can also spin like this, but putting the seed into your soul and to feel those changes by chanting the mantras and giving that surrender in Guru's feet. So doing this, there are a lot of experiences that can happen to one by also following this self-enlightenment path. And by experiences means, so there are multiple levels of facing or encountering these experiences, like in your dreams, the level of the changes that you feel, also while you certain kriya, the visions that you experience, and then comes the physical layer, where you also feel those experiences, and you can see the progression. And it's not all about self-enlightenment. It is about the faith and the surrender in the feet of your guru. And to have a physical guru is as much as important, because when I started my spiritual practices, and I was wandering on various paths, and then through various experiences, then nature, Prakriti Guru, who just pulled me onto this path, and then just I'm having blessings of my Guru Dev. To share my first experience with you, which is the cellular level, and it is the, I would say, the visions and the experiences while in the dreams, and the changes that comes after doing the chanting of the mantras. It is one of the very fine and the nicest experience, where you know we're just going there, and you're having very good visions what is happening in the society, about the world, and you feel very connected, and you become the centerpiece of that. And it is like you are getting directions directly from above. You are having complete experiences on a entire different plane, entire different level, and you feel a sort of purpose, a role in this world. And with the visions of Guru Maharaj, and the various gurus, Bhagwan, to whom you worship, like in Hinduism we have Ram, Shiv Ji, and Krishna. So we will have all those experiences. And for the rest other experiences, I will share across another video. Thank you for watching it. Thanks a lot. Namaste, pranam, and truly have a very good life.